Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit 4 and I'm gonna show you how to stop the workout on this watch. First we need to start the workout, so give me a few seconds, I'm gonna just start some workout. Okay.
Workout started.
And let's say you have a workout going and you want to stop it. It's quite simple, you just press the crown button to pause it, and then once you open the pause menu, you will see this stop button right here. And to stop the workout, you tap on it. And as you can see, it's too short to be recorded, so I can tap on checkmark to confirm. But if it's not too short to be recorded, you probably will be asked if you want to save the data from your workout or not. And you can tap on checkmark to confirm or to discard it. And as you can see, the workout stopped. And that's how you stop the workout on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.